Hey everyone, welcome back. This is me Natasha. So today we'll prepare Ramsar sites in India, which are 27 in number. In this part we'll cover 10 Ramsar sites and the rest will be covered in second part by me. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first of all, let me give you a brief introduction about what Ramsar sites are. So these are basically the wetlands which have some international importance. This term was coined in 1971 in Iran in a city called Ramsar when the International Treaty for the Conservation and Sustainable Use of Wetlands was signed. So this convention aimed at conservation and wise use of wetlands with local, national and international cooperation for the overall sustainable development of the world. So these are maintained in Montreux record to track any major ecological changes that might affect any of the wetland sites positively or in a negative way, right? Now these are some of the important facts which you must remember. For example, world's first Ramsar site was identified in Australia, that is Cobourg Peninsula, and the United Kingdom has the world's largest number of Ramsar sites, that is 170. India is having a total number of 27 Ramsar sites. And which day is celebrated as International Wetlands Day? It is February 2nd, because on this day Ramsar Convention was signed in 1971 in Iran, right? And the number of contracting parties for the Ramsar Convention is 170. Ramsar Convention works with the joint collaboration of these organizations, that is IUCN, BirdLife International, International Water Management Institute, Wetlands International, WWT and WWF International. So the first Ramsar site is Ashtamudi Wetland in Kerala. This is the second largest wetland ecosystem in Kerala. The term Ashtamudi means eight and cone because this name is indicative of the lake's topography with its multiple branches. Kallada River is a major river discharging into this lake, and in recent years, wanton reclamation, pollution, sand minings are the major problems that this lake is facing. The second Ramsar site is Bhitarkanika Mangroves in Odisha. So this is the world's largest and most relevant nesting ground for the endangered Olive Ridley turtles. Very important to remember. Every year nearly a million Olive Ridley turtles lay over 84 million eggs on the Gahirmatha Beach. This is inside the Gahirmatha National Park. So Bhitarkanika Mangroves is situated between Paradip and Chandipur in Odisha, and the key fauna that are found here are saltwater crocodiles, hawksbill, leatherback turtles, vibrant soft-shell turtle, and also the endangered king cobra and the Indian rock python. The third one is Bhoj wetlands in Madhya Pradesh. So this consists of two lakes, Bhoj Tal, which is also known as the upper lake, and the lower lake. So this is basically a man-made lake. Paramal Raja Bhoj, who was the benefactor ruler of Malwa and after whom the state capital Bhopal is also named, had this lake built by raising the earthen dam across the colons, right? The next one is Chandra Tal in Himachal Pradesh. The meaning of Chandra Tal is Lake of the Moon. So this is in the Spiti part of the Lahaul and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. So the lake is of crescent shape, that is why it is known as Chandra Tal, and as per the legends, it is the spot from where Lord Indra took the eldest Pandav brother Yudhishthira in his human form to Swarg in his chariot. The next one is Chilika Lake in Odisha, which is a brackish water lagoon spread over Puri, Khurda and Ganjam districts of Odisha state on the east coast of India at the mouth of Daya River flowing into the Bay of Bengal, right? It is the largest coastal lagoon in India and the second largest brackish water lagoon in the world after the New Caledonian Barrier Reef. It has also been listed as a tentative UNESCO World Heritage Site. The sixth one is Deepor Beel in Assam. So considering the varieties of bird species found in the Beel, BirdLife International has declared Deepor Beel as an important bird area. The most notable bird species that are found here are kingfishers, fishing eagles, a plethora of ducks, greater stork, whistling teal, etc. And the main source of water for this Ramsar site are Basistha and Kalmini rivers. Moving to the next one, that is East Kolkata Wetlands in West Bengal. So this one is special because it is the only Ramsar site in the world practicing fisheries and agriculture traditionally using city sewage, and that is how it has become the world's largest resource recycling ecosystem, which helps to treat around 600 million liters of sewage and wastewater on a daily basis. The eighth one is Hari-ke Wetlands in Punjab. It is also known as Hari-ke-Pattan, and it is situated at the confluence of the Beas and Sutlej rivers. So the rare Indus River Dolphin can also be seen here. The IUCN status of Indus River Dolphin is endangered, right? And Hari-ke is a significant abode for the birds migrating from across the international borders. The next one is HOKERA Wetland in Jammu and Kashmir. It is located in the northwest Himalayan biogeographic province of Kashmir at the backside of the Pir Panchal range. It is a natural perennial wetland which is contiguous to the Jhelum basin, and it is the only site with remaining reed beds of Kashmir. And in the recent years, housing facilities, littered garbage, and demand for increasing tourist facilities have caused potential threats to this wetland. The last Ramsar site to be covered in this video is Kanchli Wetland in Punjab. So a permanent stream, the Kali Bein, was converted by construction of a small barrage in 1870 into a water storage area for irrigation purposes. This play a crucial role in the agriculture which predominates the surrounding area, and because of this there are fewer pressures upon water supplies than anywhere else in the Punjab, right? So this wetland is also facing some problems, and the first one is because of invasive water hyacinth, right? So I think you must know that water hyacinth is an aquatic plant of tropical South America that flourishes in warm climates in Central America, North America, Africa, Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. So this hyacinth grows in thick rafts. That is why it deoxygenates the water for other aquatic species and impedes water flow and navigation, right? Other problems are increasing pollution levels, deforestation in the catchment area, and excessive grazing. So guys, this is it. We'll meet in the second part of this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.